This is Mr. Wynn from Dayton, Ohio, and you're watching The Daily Grind.
I see a sky with a rainy car, but I'm not running. I see a train moving on too fast.
Where are you going? You wanna go ride? You don't wanna ride? Okay, fine. Says she doesn't wanna ride. I thought you said you don't wanna ride.
Daddy.
You lied. You wanna ride now? Eddie! David's taking the challenge. He's never been on the crazy cart, but he's brave enough to wanna try it. And you know what? I gotta warn you, it's extra slippery in here because of the dust. It is? Yeah. Yeah, so we'll start off super slow. Okay, so you guys know that I'm like oddly good at this crazy cart. So we'll use this while I'm teaching him to teach you guys techniques on how I became like unreasonably good at this. All those muscles. Okay, I'm gonna turn on the on switch. This is gonna be your gas pedal. This is your steering. Obviously. The arrow is forward. Yeah. But the turning is directly linked to your wheel. So if you turn it this way, your wheel is literally pointed this way right now. So you don't want to crank it a bunch. So what you want to do with your left hand is you want to grasp it like this.
My left hand up here.
Yeah, like that. Okay. Because it helps you determine where the pointing is right away. Yeah. Your right hand's going to be here, but you don't need to use this right away. All right. Okay, and your gas pedal's here. Guess what? No brakes.
No brakes? There's no, you stop. You just jump off?
You just spray. Or put your feet down like when we were younger. Oh, yeah. Or yeah, just jump off of it. Yeah, it's doable. So while David drifts around us, David and I have known each other since we were 3, right? So my other vlog I was telling you about. We used to ride bikes, ghetto bicycles in the projects, and we used to ride them and just like jump off of them and watch them crash. Why? I don't know why. Oh, look at him. You kind of got it. Before this video gets too far away, oh, he ripped the e-brake! Before this video gets too far away, leave in the comments below. Let me know if you think he's gonna crash. I think he's gonna crash. Leave it right now. Don't cheat. Leave it right now. I think he's gonna hit something. All right, now pull it. Pull all the way. Turn your wheel. Turn your wheel. Turn your wheel.
Oh, it's a weird sensation.
Yeah. Hey. Oh, don't kill the pedestrian. The trick here is smooth steering with very smooth acceleration. Oh, you got it. Okay, keep going. Turn. There. So you kind of got it.
I'm gonna record you right now.
You have a YouTube channel? What is it?
Gaming with Foot, Cody, and friends, and then Deep Foot, Deep Up.
Sweet. Cool, guys. I'll put you guys on the vlog. All right, bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
No problem.
Oh, cool. So randomly I get a phone call from Iris, and I guess some fans stopped her because they recognized the car. So Iris decided to FaceTime me, and I said hi to the fans. Oh, I think he's got it. I think he's got it. Let me see. Oh, right with the gas. Oh, shit. And you're better doing a right turns. You're like Zoolander. You can only make right turns. Yeah. Oh! Circles are bigger now. One more challenge for him. Let's see if he can do it. All right, last challenge. It's a figure 8. All right, so he's going transition, transition. Oh!
I think I need my 8 to be a lot bigger first.
Stay here. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come sit down. Yes, come stay with me. What do you think? You think he's gonna do it? Oh, he figured out where to pull it. Oh, that was a good one. That was a good one. This big ass roll. I can't wait to show you guys what's in here. We are in the city of Ontario, if you guys are wondering. The official name of the escape room is called Blackout Escape, and we are currently putting up the sign. This is pretty exciting. What do you think? Hopefully it stays. Oh, the big reveal. Let's see what it is. All the spelling's off.
I know, right? Spelled escape.
Escape.
There's an accent on the E.
Escape. Let's lay it on the floor. and that's how the grand opening occurs. Wow, it's a big ass banner. Holy shit. Wow. Escape. Oh, that is so freaking cool. Right there. That is so cool. Oh, cool. You do have one right in the center. Dead center. Fresno?
Yeah, man.
What's up?
How's it going?
Let me see your car. Randomly on top of a ladder, but here a beautiful car drive past. It ends up being you.
Yeah.
Right? Oh, I like your spoiler.
Thanks, man.
I like this. Look at this. Look at that carbon. Are you doing more carbon?
Just like side skirts, maybe in the mirror caps.
Bro, you got a carbon here too. Your diffuser.
It opens the trunk.
What?
There's a sensor down there.
Oh, down here?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so
got
cool.
the whole diffuser in there.
That's so cool. Ooh, you got the red interior. Okay. Car looks good. Aggressive. Low too.
Yeah. AK. It's actually underscore AK POR. PAWAR.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's badass.
Oh, thanks, man.
Yeah, look at the interior. I like this. The red in it. So fancy.
Looking at a carbon fiber hood, but I don't know. Right now, I think I'm okay. It's too much money, man.
Oh, dude, it's cars.
Yeah.
Welcome to the life.
Hobbies.
I know, right?
Nothing's cheap, man. Costs money to play.
It costs money to play.
Yeah, but it's an amazing car, man. Never get tired of it.
Let's go. What year?
It's a 2016 340i M Sport, tuned. It's catless, full bolt-ons, and intake. That's it.
Nice, That's it. We're done. Done. The idea is all the way. So what we're gonna do is just fast forward. You guys ready? Set.
You got a very muscular babysitter.
I'm a manny now. I'm a manny.
Almost done. Almost done. Okay, ready? Be back again.
This mic way up top.
Hi. A lot higher than it looks.
It is, huh? You just leave it like that. Looks good. Just say escape room.
Scat room.
Well, now before it says cape room. I'm giving the viewers what they want to see. I got some nice footage of your butt.
Personal use.
Yes. Send it to me later.
Personal use. There it is. It's 95% up. Everything else just tweaking, but I like it. Guys, we just gotta tweak it a little bit to make it nice and straight, but it's up there. Oh man, that's so cool. You can't see that sign from down there. Go get your eyes checked. Look how big it is. It's like a 21 feet of signage. It's big. For a very long and complicated day, we're gonna go be fat and eat. We're headed to the city of Buena Park to a Korean place David found on Yelp. You guys don't know David's a big ass foodie. He travels the world to eat. Sometimes, yeah. You've been a few times. Yeah. A lot.
Japan, Korea, yeah.
And he's lived in Japan.
Yeah, I was there for a year. I studied abroad for a year.
This man has been around the world more than I have.
That was 10 years ago though.
Has it been 10 years?
Yeah, it's been 10 years.
How the fuck old are you?
I look older than I really am.
God, I'm so old. Miss baby girl. So, city of Buena Park. Asked how many glasses I needed. David says just one, and it's just for me. I have a problem. We've got beef sirloin, salad, a bunch of dips and garlic and jalapeno, grill. What is this one? Kimchi stew. Kimchi stew. We got beer. What is this? Water? Tea?
I think it's like barley tea. Okay.
It's pretty cool. Oh, we got more sides. It's really good. Kimchi fried rice. My God. Every time we hang out with David, we're eating for sure. What do we have here? We have a Habit burger with some fries. My favorite. I survived on these when my mom left me and went to Vietnam for a whole month. tired of it?
Never.
Never?
Get tired of it.
Never.